Atlantis, the Palm, a world of aquatic wonder. Atlantis. The Palm is more than just a hotel. It's a realm of marine magic nestled on Dubai's iconic Palm Jumeirah. From its magnificent Arabian-inspired architecture to the underwater experiences it offers, Atlantis feels like stepping into a fantasy world. As you arrive, you'll be awed by its majestic archway and the sense that you're about to embark on an unforgettable adventure. Inside, Atlantis is home to one of the world's largest open-air aquariums, the Aquaventure Lagoon. Picture yourself wandering through tunnels surrounded by sea life, with over 65,000 marine animals gliding above and around you. It's an experience where the line between land and ocean blurs, immersing you in a breathtaking marine sanctuary you won't want to leave. For thrill seekers, Atlantis offers Aquaventure Waterpark, packed with exhilarating slides, including the famous leap of faith that plunges you through a shark-filled lagoon. The park's water coasters and river rapids make it perfect for a day of excitement, and you'll find the thrill contagious as you dive into each attraction. Whether you're relaxing on its private beach, exploring the Lost Chambers Aquarium, or dining at world-class restaurants, Atlantis, the Palm has something for everyone. It's not just a resort, it's a world of wonder waiting for you to explore.